Slide the processor carrier into the rail frame. Push the rail frame down until the blue latches lock into place. Close the force frame. Tighten the screws in the sequence. Remove the thermal grease on the heatsink by using an alcohol cleaning pad. Apply new thermal grease in a quadrilateral design on the top of the processor. Orient the heatsink with the screw holes on the processor plate. The captive screws on the heatsink should align with the screw holes on the processor plate. Tighten all the captive screws in the installation sequence shown on the heatsink label. Reinstall the air baffle. Reinstall the top cover.